The copper filter dryer is mainly installed in the front of the capillary tube refrigeration system or pipeline, or installed in an electronic expansion valve and out of the end for collecting lubricating oil in refrigeration systems and solid impurities, to prevent the system and an expansion valve and capillary blockage, and ensure the smooth flow of the pipeline system. The copper filter dryer in a refrigeration system has two essential functions. First is that absorbing moisture, preventing acids. Second is that providing physical filtration.